meter. What's the meter? So we get nothing. Alright, let's go back. Up to 2. So with the engine running, OBD still does not work. So we have to go to Mitsubishi manual selection 2005. But we don't have any live data. Let's check the cruise control. Okay, we've got cruise control. Let's go to live data. Alright, let's go stoplight switch. We'll choose stoplight switch. And set switch. Stoplight switch. Lane switch. Cruise. Alright, so I've selected 3. Let's go okay. So we've got stoplight switch off. I hit the stoplight and it stays off. Cruise, we'll hit the cruise. No, it's not the cruise. Okay, let's hit the cruise. And the cruise does not come on here. So the stoplight switch isn't giving us anything. Alright, go for the stoplight switch is off. Okay. So it's not going to do any good. So main switch is on. Okay. Alright. Let's go back. Let's read codes. No fault, okay. So we can get live data from the cruise control. Brake switch, data clutch, cruise, idle. Switch resume, switch, set switch. Let's go. Set switch. Okay. Set switch is off. I'll put the cruise on. and nothing happens. This is a mystery. Okay. Let's go back. Ooh, what about that switch? That one. Set switch off. Clutch switch on. Let's choose them all. Let's just choose all of them. Main switch is on. Alright, so let's just hit the cruise on button. And nothing changes. Interesting. Nothing changes when I put the cruise on and off. Vehicle speed sensor. (728 kilometers per hour). That could be the problem. Vehicle speed sensor 728 kilometers per hour. 720. That seems to be the problem. Just a note, when you're using this thing, your anti-lock will flash, which is no problem. Alright, so what I'm doing is trying to work out why my cruise control does not work. See, I can make the cruise button light come on using this button. But using that button, none of these values change. And I'd say that vehicle speed sensor of 728 might be the problem. Alright, so let's get out of this. Go back. So we were in cruise control. CCL, I don't know what that is. Oh, let's go SS42. Okay, so let's go. This should be the automatic transmission. Alright, we've got into it. Let's go live data. Live data. Oh, okay. We've got quite a few different things we can test. Let's try stop light switch. On, off, on, off. Alright, that seems to work. That's when we're in the automatic transmission. Let's go back. Let's just go shift position. Okay. Shift position, neutral park. Let's go into reverse. Aha, reverse. Neutral. Reverse. Okay, back to park. Alright, let's put it in manual. So in manual we're in first. Second. Let's go back to first in manual. Interesting. Alright. Now put the manual back up to park neutral. Alright. Stop light switch. Oh, I've got my foot on it. Take my foot off. Stop light switch off. Alrighty. Okay, let's get out of that. We've got lots of things you can check. Clutch slippage. Interesting. Okay, alright. Let's get out of that. Let's go back to... What's MFI? Let's try that one. Right. So now we're in MFI. Live data. MFI won't connect. No good. Let's go back. What's ECS? What's ECS? Okay, we're trying ECS. Okay, engine control system. We get nothing. ECS, I gather that's the engine. Anyway, that'll probably do. That'll do for today. Let's get out. Out. Home. There. Alright, that's it.